So, my last film was with Shivraj Kumar sir, Satya and Love. And that was an extremely special film. And after all these years, I'm coming back with Junior, with Kirti. So it's even more special. But honestly, I don't think there are any newcomers here on stage because they are amazing. In these 10 years break, 10, 13 years break that I took, I think I came on set like a newcomer and I would learn every day something from Sri Leela, something from Kirti, because they are superb. And I've done a lot of films, I know. I have acted with a lot of newcomers, but these aren't newcomers. They're just next level. Sri Leela is beautiful. She's a beautiful dancer. She sizzles on screen. Kirti, I think he's a wonderful, wonderful actor, and I think the industry is very, very lucky to have him because he's really someone of superstar level, and I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. I was very lucky to have superstars teach me. I had a wonderful time on Satya. I was fortunate enough to meet Sir's family and I was treated amazingly. I had the best time shooting here during Satya and Love. And it's all thanks to him and his family. And I got the exact same treatment on this film too, with Kirti's dad, with Sai Garu. They treated me really, really well. I didn't miss home because I was treated so well and so specially. My old friend Sendil is here. We've worked together in Sai many years ago. It was lovely meeting him and seeing his success and his amazing work that you've done. He was always special back then, and I think you're only growing to bigger and better films, so my best wishes to you. Someone I really would want to thank, who makes me say my lines, who made me come back to screen is Radha sir. I think he's a wonderful director and great talent. I honestly believe you have to tell more stories because we have to act more. I would love to say that I had a wonderful experience with Ravi sir. The only person who got me snacks in Karnataka, the only person, and he's an institution. It was lovely sharing screen time with you. It's an honor to be amongst all of you all. The writers of the film, thank you for the wonderful line. I always believe actors are made because of the people who work on them, be it the director, the writers. My husband says something, a good film is always because of writers, and I truly and totally believe that, so thank you. We are all missing Devi Sri Prasad, but I'm sure he's doing something viral somewhere. So we'll continue missing him, but he has brought something very, very special to this film. If I've missed out anyone, I'm sorry. Ma'am, thank you so much for being with me, teaching me Kannada here and there. Thank you so much. But today is Kirti's day. And on behalf of our entire cast, we would want to celebrate you. And 18 July is coming close. Let's all go and make this a festival. Thank you so much.
How sweet. Avag haditala, Satya is in love. I think now we have to change the lyrics. We are all in love with you forever, Anta. No, I think Michael.
See, after Satya and Love, you didn't want to act with me only.
ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Thank you, Jenilia ma'am. And